Hey, I'm Oli, your go to guide on everything dental, practical, and purpose driven on this channel, License Ready with Oli, where we keep you license ready and thriving in Canada. Because it's Oli and we're here thriving, I am going to give you some bonus tips to thrive. It's not just possible, it is happening. This isn't just about skills, it's about safety. Get your own typodont and practice. Connect online with a tutor if you cannot go solo. You shadow in a dental clinic or find a coach. Join a study or mentorship group. And it's just like flossing. Skipping one step can cause a lot of pain later. If you're a foreign trained dentist, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. See you in the next video. And remember, your hands are not just skilled, they are destiny shaped. Because here on License Ready with Oli, we use every weapon fashioned against us to prosper.